Another fish on. Oh, what's that rod?
Yeah, there's another one.
Reading straight. Excellent rod.
Where's the other one that's on?
That's pretty good. Fourth fish and still can't even get the rods in.
Did this wire release?
I'm gonna laugh if it's a smaller fish than Marty.
I mean, it's really upset.
Coming in pretty easy there, buddy.
No, it's just because some of us know how to fight a fish. You don't even know how to stand yet.
You had 100 lines. Wait till you see it.
No, I think it is littler than yours. It looks like a really little one.
I can tell that.
Look at him. It's a baby.
Oh, look at the snow back here. Take one this side of me here to get away from the snow. Okay, stop. Another one in the
Still bigger than Marty's.
I don't know about that.
It might be a little smaller.
This here. What you expected so far?
It's fun.
Yeah. When do we get all the lines in?
Yeah. We don't even have half of them out yet. We only have one on. Oh no, it's just hooked in the end.
Fourth fish in 10 minutes.
But yeah, like I said, it gets real.